Now, one of the best natural ingredient that you can use on your skin is aloe vera gel. This is because it has so many skincare benefits when used topically on the skin. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. Aloe vera gel also is smoothing to the skin. It will help to get rid of sunburn on the skin. It will also help to get rid of frostbite. Aloe vera gel also will get rid of skin pigmentation such as dark spots and blemishes. It is very, very hydrating to the skin, and it also contains antibacterial properties, which makes it great for acne-prone skin. So in this video, I'm going to share a recipe using the aloe vera gel. This is a facial mask that can also be used as a facial scrub. So if you're looking for different ways to use the aloe vera gel on the skin topically, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how best to use this on your skin for fast, effective result. For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. Our first ingredient is aloe vera gel, and today we're going to be using fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. It will also help to nourish the skin, get rid of wrinkles on the skin, and leave the skin soft and supple once used on a regular. So the first thing I'm going to do is to extract the aloe vera gel. I like to extract it by cutting both sides like I'm showing here. Now once this is done, we're just going to take our knife, and we're going to get rid of the upper portion. Pretty easy to do. And then here we have the aloe vera gel. You can choose to scoop it out, or you can choose to scrape it out. I personally like to scoop it out. So we're just going to go right under like this. Just scoop it out. And there we have the fresh aloe vera gel. Make sure to get everything out. And now we're going to throw out the peel. Now for this aloe vera gel, you can choose to blend it, or you could choose to crush it. I have a blender, so I am going to be blending. So now let's reach for our blender. And we're going to pour our aloe vera in our blender. Make sure to get everything out. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for our second ingredient. And here I have some flax seeds. Flax seeds contain skin brightening properties. It will also help to boost collagen, smooth wrinkles, and fine lines. It contains omega-3 fatty acid, which makes it amazing for most skin type. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the flax seeds, pouring this in the blender along with the aloe vera gel. And now we're going to move on to our next ingredient. Now take a look at our next ingredient. Here I have some basil, and this is dry basil. If you have fresh basil, you can use it in this recipe. We're using the basil leaf for its antibacterial properties, which makes this remedy good for acne-prone skin. And if you have pimples on the skin, this will help tremendously. All we're using is about a teaspoon of the basil leaves. So here we have aloe vera gel, we have flax seeds, and we have basil. And now we're going to cover and we're going to blend. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. Shake it down, make sure all the seeds are down, and blend. Now after blending, let's pour this out, and the smell is amazing. Make sure to scoop everything out. And take a look. Here we have our aloe vera gel. and our flaxseed with a bit of a basil leaf. Now, if you do not have basil, you can use a little bit of a tea tree oil in this recipe. And now we're going to add our final ingredient, which is optional. You can choose to use it or you can choose to leave it out. This is some turmeric powder, and we're using it for its skin brightening properties. All we need is a half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder. You do not need a lot. And we are going to just mix it in. Just a little dash of the turmeric powder, and blend it well. Now once this is done, our mask is ready to use on the skin. Let me reach for a small jar to pour this in. And let's pour this in. Now store this facial mask in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days. You can choose to add a little bit of oatmeal or some rice to this if you want more of a skin tightening. And here you have it, your amazing facial mask that is good for clearing pigmentation, good for acne prone skin, good for wrinkled skin, good for boosting collagen production in the skin. To use this facial mask, you just want to be generous with it and take a big dabble like this and just apply it all over your face in circular motion. Just rub it over your face, and this is also good to rub on your neck and your décolleté. Completely cover your face with the mask, and I like to use it like I'm scrubbing my face with it. Now once this is done, you're going to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare product. Now this mask is good to use every day on the skin, or you can choose to use it 3 to 4 times per week for best result. It will not irritate the skin, and that's what makes this amazing. Good to use just as an exfoliator and also as a facial mask. When it is done, go ahead and make a new batch. This amount is good for about 5 applications, so use it up within 7 days. So there you have it, a recipe using the aloe vera gel. Now go ahead and try this recipe. Use it on your skin for a more radiant, naturally glowing skin. Thank you all for watching. If this is the first time watching our channel, do not leave without subscribing. Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little icon, a little bell icon. If you click on that, you will receive a notification as soon as I post the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video with some more amazing skincare tips just for you.